Minnesota's tax bill has local lawmakers from both sides of the aisle talking about what the bill could mean for Minnesota. Democrats say the higher taxes are necessary to balance the budget, while Republicans say it could hurt businesses. Lacey Monteleone is now live in the studio with more. Lacey, how are you tonight?
I'm good, Dennis. Well, the tax bill will raise over $2 billion in revenue for the state of Minnesota. Higher income taxes for the wealthy, as well as a higher cigarette tax, are part of the bill. But there's also some potential property tax relief, as well as tax exemptions for local government. It wasn't long ago when Beltrami County officials were worrying about an additional sales tax.
I think the governor was looking at reducing the rate of sales tax, but increasing the number of services and goods that would be taxable.
That would have had an impact on the local sheriff's department, as well as county roads.
We buy a lot of material that goes into roads, and we buy very expensive equipment to maintain those roads.
But the final tax bill will provide sales tax exemptions for local government and may allow for property tax relief for some. Democrats say the higher taxes applied elsewhere are necessary.
We're balancing the budget, not just for this biennium, but the 4 years out. It's structurally balanced. That was the goal that I set coming into this session.
Republican leaders say additional taxes on businesses as well as the wealthy could have a chilling effect.
We increased their business property taxes. We increased on many of them their sales tax on a business-to-business service, like say a business has his computer fixed, he now has to pay sales tax on that. We increased the upper income of those folks, so up 25%.
For smokers, the additional cigarette tax is worrisome.
I know it's for the better of the health, but then again, you know, they're making more money just for freedom of choice to do whatever you want. And you know, tax increases on everything, but minimum wage has been staying the same.
But DFL leaders say the additional money spent on taxes is for a good reason.
We're not only strengthening our universities and colleges across the state, but putting significant money into the state grant program.
And while county leaders do not know the exact amount they'll save next year because of exemptions, it will be significant.
But if you just even look at a $200,000 road grader for the highway department, that's $13,000 in sales tax that we will save.
Now, it's not only county governments that will receive sales tax exemptions, city governments will receive exemptions as well, Dennis.
Okay, thank you very much, Lacey, for the live report tonight.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.